Animal domestication is a pivotal milestone in human history that marked the transition from hunting and gathering to agriculture and settled societies. This process involved the taming and breeding of wild animals for various purposes, ultimately leading to the establishment of mutually beneficial relationships between humans and animals. The origins of domestication. Animal domestication is believed to have originated around 10,000 to 12,000 years ago in different regions of the world. Early humans began to tame and breed animals such as dogs, goats, sheep, and pigs, which provided them with sources of food, clothing, and other valuable resources. Selective breeding and adaptation. As humans started to selectively breed animals with desirable traits, domesticated species underwent genetic changes over generations. These changes made animals more suitable for specific purposes, such as increased milk production or better agricultural labor. The role of agriculture. The shift from a nomadic lifestyle to settled agriculture greatly facilitated the process of animal domestication. Domesticated animals played essential roles in farming, plowing fields, transporting goods, and providing manure for fertilizing crops. Cultural and economic impact. Domesticated animals also had cultural significance, becoming symbols of wealth, power, and status in many societies. They influenced religious practices, folklore, and even language. For instance, the cow holds special reverence in Hinduism. Spread and exchange. As agriculture and domestication practices spread, different societies exchanged knowledge and animals. This process contributed to the diffusion of various domesticated species across continents, leading to regional specialization. Modern animal domestication. While the initial wave of animal domestication primarily focused on utilitarian purposes, modern domestication involves companion animals like cats and dogs. These animals are valued for their companionship, loyalty, and assistance in various tasks. Animal welfare and ethical considerations. The history of animal domestication raises important ethical questions about the treatment and welfare of domesticated animals. Today, there is growing awareness and advocacy for humane treatment and responsible ownership. Animal domestication represents a significant turning point in human civilization. It transformed human societies from nomadic to agrarian, allowing for greater stability and societal development. The history of animal domestication also highlights the deep and complex connections between humans and animals, shaping cultural practices, economies, and the very fabric of human existence. As we continue to learn from our history, it is important to approach animal domestication with ethical considerations and a commitment to responsible stewardship of the animals that have played such integral roles in our journey as a species.